What's up everyone, welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you about the important changes that has come to YouTube, and it is basically related to kids. If you are making videos related to kids, you have to go and you are going to face some problem of earning some money, and your monetization is going to give some revenue less as compared to the people who are making videos related to everybody. I'm making how-to videos, so I'm not going to get affected, but it is going to affect me as well because my monetization is not on yet. I'm not getting any ads from YouTube, and that is going to affect my channel as well. So if I'm not earning and making money for YouTube is not going to go. Maybe they will keep my channel on or off. They have not given the more details on that, but they have given the details of kids channel. Children Online Privacy Protection Act, or you can say COPPA. Alright, so there have been some changes. You can go through the changes if you want. I'm going to go and scroll it. If you want, you can pause the video and read it all along. So I hope you must have paused the video. If you want to read the details, you will get the details about that. Alright, so I have got the message like email as 27 minutes ago. So if you want, you can go through that, but we have to do changes by our channel that we are not making videos related to kids. So you have to go and give the information to YouTube itself. So you can go on your channel. After that, if you are not finding Creator Studio, you can click on icon and you can go to YouTube Creator Studio beta. Click on that. After that, you have to go inside the settings. Inside the settings, you have to go on channel. Inside the channel, you have to go on advanced settings, and you have to mention no, this channel is not made for kids. I never upload videos content that are made for kids. If you are making videos related to kids, you can go and click yes, and if you want, you can go and select the same thing, like you can go and click on every video. It will ask for the prompt that are you making this video for kids, and you can go and do that for each and every video, or you can just set it to like it is going to be default whenever you upload any video online on YouTube. So you can go and do that and then click on save. If you do that, you have to mention that you are not making videos for kids, so you are going to get some benefit. If you're making videos for kids, your channel is going to have less monetization and lot of features like community tab, another video which is recommending to you cards, and all of that is going to be disabled if you are using a kids channel. So just go and mention that, and it is going to benefit you in the monetization as well because of Children Online Privacy Protection Act, which have recently came, and this is the new update from YouTube. So it is important for you to go and change it right here and right now. So this was main motive of making this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. My name is Nazar and I'm signing out. See you guys next time.